freedom of knowledge, the freedom to share, freedom to dream, freedom of movement. Now it fits with Linky. Mobility is freedom. With Linky's strong patented folding mechanism, it's freedom in your bag. It's a last-mile mobility solution that means no more traffic, no more bus timetables, no more pollution.
Linky represents a new generation in electric mobility. With it, we want to improve the way we experience cities. The team behind Linky is a group of passionate travelers. Wherever we were in the world, we found ourselves wanting a mode of transportation that is eco-sustainable, easy to carry around, and really fun to ride. With technical engineering and sales backgrounds, we've studied last-mile mobility and made Linky to fill a gap in that market, but also in our own lives. Nothing out there is truly portable, so that's why we made Linky to fit in a bag.
One thing that distinguishes Linky is the incredible pride we take in attention to detail. We have worked for 2 years to perfect the patented mechanical system that expands and contracts Linky. Based on our experience in automotive design, our structure uses highly resistant polymers and carbon fiber for a perfect balance between lightness and rigidity. Weighing just 4.9 kilos, it's really sturdy. We have put 160 kilos on it, and we have ridden hundreds of kilometers.
My experience in the electric car industry is the inspiration behind the electronics and the battery of Linky. We wanted to be able to bring Linky on an aeroplane, so we've chosen a fast-charging, long-life lithium-ion battery that respects IATA regulation for air travel. Safety is our #1 priority in designing Linky's powertrain and battery management solutions. We've optimized for power, performance, and weight.
Hi, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Bethany.
And we are the founders of Technology Will Save Us. We're on a mission to spark the creative imagination of young people using hands-on technology.
We're really excited to be launching the first wearable that kids make and code themselves.
And I'm so pleased to introduce you to the Mover Kit.
And I invented the running rainbow! Police corner. Toothbrush trainer. The rainbow lamp. The reading light. The wizard wall. The quiz buzzer. The light sword. The obstacle for me and my friends.
It is the first active play wearable kids make and code themselves. It has motion sensors, a compass, and rainbow lights that respond to kids moving and being active. We designed it to be portable, responsive, and open-ended.
We started with a need. As parents, we really want our son to have the creative and technical skills he will surely need for his future.
The Mover Kit combines digital and physical technologies with the amazing, accessible, playful, make-it-yourself approach that we're quite well known for.
It's basically a wearable designed for kids' imaginations.
That's right. Mic drop.
This is Harrison. He loves a good game of ping pong. But finding a competitive partner is hard. Shane is unbeatable. Not fun. Catherine is still learning. Also not fun. And Matthew, now there's a great partner. But he's not always around. Introducing TrainerBot. It's your new ping pong partner that's always available and always competitive. It can shoot any spin, anywhere on a table, on any table. It's got the accuracy of a machine triple its size, but it fits in your bag. And it's the first of its kind that lets you control all of this from your phone. TrainerBot lets you pick a setting that's perfect for you. Beginners can practice their forehands with slow, easy shots. Just choose a location, spin type, and a slow interval. As you improve, TrainerBot grows with you. You can create a sequence that involves multiple shots, like forehand and backhand. And for advanced players, TrainerBot becomes unpredictable. You can make it shoot randomly at maximum speed. In close games, there's no feeling like hitting that epic shot. Those moments are rare, but they don't have to be, because TrainerBot can recreate any match situation. Hit 100 smashes, slice 1,000 shots. It never misses. Having trouble beating your friends? TrainerBot can turn their toughest shots into drills. With enough practice, you'll beat them next time. And never waste another tutorial. TrainerBot transforms hours of YouTube into hours of gameplay. It's also designed to help people connect, regardless of their experience level. Now, anyone can play together without holding back or feeling outmatched. It's your ultimate ping pong partner.
Good morning, morning breath. This is Mint, your mouth's new best friend. Using a combination of science and technology, Mint helps you manage your oral health. Bad breath and poor breath quality can have several causes: food, poor hygiene, and dehydration. Since hydration is directly linked to the quality of your breath and overall health and wellness, Mint is designed to monitor both. Unlike many products whose fixes are only temporary, Mint is different. It analyzes your breath and hydration data over time and makes suggestions for long-term improvement. Everyone has dealt with bad breath, but we think you have more important things to worry about. Once your breath quality and hydration are optimized, Mint will put a smile on your face. No more breath guessing and masking, just a happy, healthy mouth and a more confident you. Kiss bad breath goodbye and get fresh with Mint by Breathometer. Your breath, your life.
Hi, my name is Tapia. And this is a story about me and my family. Hope you enjoy it. Hurry up. Wake up. You got a meeting at 9:30. It's already being late. Today weather is good. Temperature about 81. Good day to work. You only slept 4 hours last night. Not good. So get home early today. Take some rest. And? Do you need coffee? Latte as usual? Or espresso?
Espresso. Double.
Sure.
Tapia! Can you get the lipstick we did last time? Lux, number 7.
Reorder. Lux number 7 lipstick.
Thank you.
It's been 2 weeks since last time you call your mom. Don't you miss her? Maybe it's time to stop quarreling with each other?
Tapia, call my mom.
Yes. Tapia, Dog Robot Companion.